from your explanation, it's looking like your target is for the large scale. What about someone who wants to run more like a subsistence farmer, who wants to just do maybe something they can do for their family and take out a little out to make some money?
Your question is a good one, because I've had those kind of issues and people have come to me to say, yes, your farm is large, we don't have enough money to do a large scale farm, we just want something that we can eat in the house and then maybe just sell to a few friends here and there. That is also possible. It's possible if you have a small backyard, you can set up a small tarpaulin tank, or you use what we call a white tank, this chemical white tank. If you come here, I can show you. This type of tank is normally used conveniently. Sorry. This type of tank is normally used conveniently for those who want to do it at the back of their house. A tank this size can take about 15 to 20 fishes from small to adulthood, okay? And then you can take your fish from there. So your expenses are low because it's just basically family consumption. So you don't need all those big quantity of fish food and all that. And this is even less tedious to manage.
Yeah.
You still do the changing of water, okay, for them, because now it's a smaller enclosure.
An outlet.
Yes, I have an outlet for water. It has an outlet and it has an inlet. So you change your water, but because it's a smaller enclosure, you change water more often. Okay, so that's just the difference. But you can put this at your backyard and have your fish. And also for children, it's a good way to teach them responsibility. So you get them to feed the fish when it's due. So they feed in the morning, they feed in the evening. So they know that there's a routine for feeding the fish.
Okay.